Slow cooker beef and noodles are the perfect comfort meal. Tender beef is cooked in a flavorful, rich brown gravy and served over egg noodles. You will love every bite. Let's make it. In a slow cooker, add a chuck roast, beef consommé, and French onion soup. Cook on low 6 to 8 hours or high 4 to 6 hours. Remove the chuck roast from the slow cooker and stir in a packet of brown gravy mix. Cook your egg noodles. While the egg noodles are cooking, shred the chuck roast. Add the cooked egg noodles into the slow cooker. Mix in the beef and serve. Comfort on a plate. Delicious. For the full recipe with ingredient measurements, please visit aforkstale.com.